students, welcome back to my channel English Diaries. I am back with a new worksheet, but before we start the worksheet, let's have a look on some of the sentences. So let's have a look on these sentences. Let's read the first sentence. First sentence is, I love baking my family and friends. And if I put a comma over here, the sentence says, I love baking my family and friends. Now a comma has changed the meaning of the sentence. Let's see the second sentence also. Let's eat grandpa. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि grandpa को खाते हैं, लेकिन if I put a comma over here, let's eat grandpa. Grandpa चलो खाते हैं. Now next one is, we are going to learn cut and paste kids. Here if I put a comma over here, it also changes the complete meaning of the sentence. So I think everyone has guessed that today's topic is punctuation. So let's start with our worksheet. Before starting the exercise of the worksheet, let's have a look on some of the punctuation mark. Our first punctuation mark is full stop. Full stop is used at the end of a declarative sentence. एक declarative sentence के end में हम full stop mark करते हैं. Like he is a boy. At the end of this sentence, we will put a full stop. Our second punctuation mark is question mark. Whenever there is a question, एक क्वेश्चन है तो उसके एंड में हम क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे. लाइक आर यू गोइंग. इट्स अ क्वेश्चन, कुछ पूछा गया है, सो एट द एंड वी विल राइट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. आवर थर्ड पंक्चुएशन मार्क इज कोमा. Comma is used to separate two or more than two things. Whenever more than two things are there, we use comma. Like, I know Hindi, English and French. Here, three languages are written over here. So, we will put a comma over here. Comma is used to separate two or more than two things. Our next punctuation mark is quotation mark. Quotation mark कब यूज किया जाता है? Whenever we are writing the dialogues. Direct indirect speech में भी हम यूज करते हैं. In the direct speech, whenever someone has spoken some dialogues, to write those dialogues we use quotation marks. Like he said, I am going. Now these are the dialogues of someone who has said this, so we are putting them in between quotation marks. So our next punctuation mark is exclamatory sign. This sign we use to express our feelings of sorrow, anger or surprise. And the next one is semicolon. That is used to separate sentences which are closely related but grammatically independent. Like if we say राम लाइक आइसक्रीम, जॉन डजन, तो उनके बीच में हम सेमीकोलन करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज पंक्चुएशन मार्क इज एपोस्ट्रोफे. एपोस्ट्रोफे इज यूज टू शो द पोजेशंस. जब हम बताते हैं कि ये चीज़ या ये पर्सन किसी और से रिलेटेड है तो हम यूज़ करते हैं एपोस्ट्रोफे का. एंड वेन एवर वी आर यूजिंग द कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ड्स देन वी यूज एपोस्ट्रोफे. लाइक राम्स मदर, it means राम की मदर. ये पोजेशन को शो कर रहा है. एंड व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग द कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म ऑफ डज नॉट, देन वी राइट डजंट. सो लेट्स मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज. मॉरिस द मार्चियन. मॉरिस इज द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन. किसी का भी नाम आता है तो फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल करते हैं. सो यहाँ हम एम को कैपिटल करेंगे. मॉरिस द मार्चियन वॉज फ्लाइंग अराउंड द सोलर सिस्टम वन डे. आफ्टर वन डे वी विल पुट अ कोमा. यहाँ ये कोमा आएगा. When he saw a strange light in front of him. यहाँ sentence complete हो गया. So after the sentence हम यहाँ पे full stop mark करते हैं. ये full stop mark होगा. ये third mistake है यहाँ. And after full stop, a new sentence is starting. So its first letter will be capital. यहाँ W को हम capital करेंगे. What is that? It's a question. कि ये क्या है? तो यहाँ question mark करेंगे. What is that? He thought to himself. After that, full stop. उसने अपने आप से पूछा, वो सोच रहा था कि ये क्या है. Morris, again name is there, so its first letter will be capital. Morris was scared, but he flew a little bit closer. so that he could see it better. After that यहाँ हम full stop लगाएंगे and 1 comma over here. Morris was scared, but he flew a little bit closer so that he could see it better. Now hello he called out. We will write H capital over here, hello, and we will put a quotation mark over here and exclamatory sign. ये changes किए हमने and 1 exclamatory sign. Hello he called out. After that full stop. After full stop again a new sentence is starting, so its first letter will be capital. There was no reply. Full stop, कोई आवाज नहीं आई and after that S capital. Suddenly a creature appeared in front of the light. Here the sentence is ending, so we will put a full stop over here. Boo, boo का B capital करेंगे and we will put it in quotation marks and exclamatory sign also. Boo, it shouted. Full stop. Again new sentence is starting, E capital and Morris का M capital. Poor Morris was really scared and he flew off to his home and hid under his bed. Here we will put a full stop. So I hope this topic of punctuation is quite clear to everyone. And we also came to know that minor mistakes in English can change the meaning of a sentence completely. So always take care of these punctuation marks while making sentences in English. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.